Hello, Fremont. In exactly 1 week, on Tuesday, November 3rd, we'll be holding the 2020 general election, and I wanted to provide a quick update. I previously made a video to show the changes that we made for the September primary, and based on some feedback and expected crowds, we are modifying our setup to accommodate these changes. If you did not get a chance to see our previous video, please watch that first. I have also included it in the post below. It is a good refresher of what you can expect to see at the polling place. We all know this is an unprecedented election, and mix in COVID-19 and it makes it even more challenging. The New Hampshire Elections Office is predicting that we will have a 70% turnout for this election. To put that in perspective, we have 3,729 registered voters in Fremont. With just straight math, that would mean that we should expect 2,610 voters to cast their ballots on Election Day. We currently have 573 absentee ballots at the town hall, with 91 still outstanding. If we subtract those who have already voted, that will still mean that we can expect roughly 2,037 voters to pass through at Ellis Gym on Tuesday. That is quite a turnout for our small town and will be great to see. We will be making a few changes from the September primary to help alleviate some issues and to accommodate some new requirements of the general election. Will the lines be long? At times, yes, but we will do our best to accommodate everyone, even if that means extending the voting hours. Social distancing and masks will still be required. And please do not linger in the parking lot, which could prohibit the flow of traffic. To enter the voting area, we have made a few changes. Because we are expecting the voting lines to be long, we are trying to make this as safe as possible for everyone. We're going to extend the outside line all the way to the Ellis front walkway. It will be marked with cones and signs. When you arrive, if there is no line, please come into the front door. Otherwise, please move to the back of the line. If you're in the front of the line and a handicapped person pulls up to vote, please be courteous and let them go ahead of you. The inside voting area layout will be very similar to the way it was at the state primary. When you enter in the door, and if you cannot wear a mask due to medical reasons, we will have a voting area specifically set up on the immediate right-hand side. Please indicate to the voting officials when you arrive. Otherwise, please proceed to the ballot clerks. A through K will be on the left, and L through Z will be on the right. Once you have your ballot, please be patient for a voting booth to open up. Once complete, inform the checkout clerks who have been broken out into the same alphabetic groups and deposit your ballot. If you would like to observe the voting procedure, we have added a new area for observers to watch the proceedings. We only ask that you do not interfere with the voting process. If you have any questions, please reach out to the moderator. Okay, just a final few notes. There will be longer lines for voting. I ask everyone to be respectful of the election workers. For the most part, they're all volunteers and do not deserve to be berated, harassed, or yelled at. We are all still working within the confines of this new world of COVID. If you have any issues with these policies and procedures put in place, please just ask for the moderator when you come in to vote. Remember, you cannot wear any election paraphernalia into the voting area. This includes masks with candidates' names and such. Also, please bring a valid photo ID. Finally, do not forget that whatever party you are voting for, we are human beings first and political advocates second. Thank you. I look forward to seeing everyone on Tuesday.